You are a leader and you talk too much, you will lose your honor factor. As a leader, your word should be mighty. The more scarce your word, the more people will listen when you speak. When you run your mouth anyhow, you also run your honor out with it. A time will come, your words will be so cheap, there will be nobody around you to hear it. Words are expensive. Don't waste them. Don't waste them. Don't waste them. Leadership 101. Words are expensive. Can I tell you another thing that is expensive? Your attention. Don't cheapen your attention. Attention is an expensive commodity. Don't invest it in nonsense. Did you hear what I said? Your attention is where the direction of your destiny goes to. Respect your destiny enough to see your attention as an investment.